Hey guys, here are my top 5 tips to make your flowers last longer. Number 1, cut the stems at an angle. That increases surface space so that your flowers can drink. Number 2, no leaves below the water line. That creates a lot of bacteria, it's going to kill your flowers. Number 3, be sure to change out the water. That'll make your flowers last longer. Number 4, if you want your flowers to open faster, place them in hot water, but not too hot. Don't do boiling. Number 5, be sure to keep your flowers out of direct sunlight or else they'll wilt. I'm Carly Solander. I'm a floral designer to the stars, and I'm here to prove that you don't have to be a celebrity to surround yourself with beautiful blooms. I call myself the flower chef because I approach floral design like a recipe, step by step and with the flexibility to add a dash of your own taste. It's all about expressing what you're like, so express yourself. I want to show you that floral design is easy, accessible, and approachable, even in your own kitchen.